Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Cabuso from Business Math 3B, and today I'll walk you through task number 4 in our abstract algebra. In this video, we'll be talking about the order of the group and order of its subgroups. First, let's define what we mean by the order of a group. In mathematics, the order of a group means the number of elements in that group. For example, if a group has 8 elements, its order is 8. Now, for our project, I have constructed a geometric model with 16 elements. In the previous videos, we have already identified whether it forms a group, and also, as you can see here, we already determined its subgroups, which are the elements in the set O. Set O is equal to I, H, E, A, R, T, Y, U, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. This group has 16 elements. So the order of a group O is 16. Now, here's an important rule from the group theory. The order of a subgroup must divide the order of the whole group. That means the subgroup of O must have orders that are divisors of 16. And what are those divisors? They are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Order of the group and its subgroup. The divisors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Hence, Octalax has a subgroup whose order is divisor. Let's now look at the subgroups we identified and classified them by their orders. Order 1 or subgroup of order 1, which is the trivial subgroup, O sub 1 is equal to I. Then, subgroup of order 2 or the smallest proper subgroups, O sub 10 is equal to IR, O sub 11 is equal to I2, O sub 12 is equal to I4, O sub 13 is equal to I6, O sub 14 is equal to I8, O sub 15 is equal to I10, O sub 16 is equal to I12, O sub 17 is equal to I14, O sub 18 is equal to I16. Next one, the subgroup of order 4 or the medium proper subgroups. O sub 5 is equal to IERY, O sub 6 is equal to IR210, O sub 7 is equal to IR412, O sub 8 is equal to IR614, O sub 9 is equal to IR816. Next one is the subgroup of order H, which is the largest proper subgroups. O sub 2 is equal to IHEARTYU. O sub 3 is equal to IERY2, 6, 10, 14. O sub 4 is equal to IERY 4, 8, 12, 16. And the last one is subgroup of order 16, which is the whole group itself, the improper subgroup. O is equal to IHEARTYU 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Each of these subgroups obeys the rules of a group, meaning they are closed under the operation, contain an identity, have inverses, and are associative. And yes, you guessed it, all the subgroup orders are divisors of 16, just like the theory says. So when someone asks, why does the order of a subgroup matter? You can now confidently say, because it must divide the group's order. And that's a wrap for task number 4. We'll learn how to relate the order of a group and the order of its subgroup. And we confirm it perfectly using our own model. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.